Welcome everyone, I'm N.R.T. On today's video we'll be introducing a new channel sponsor and doing an unboxing video. So BERKLING Tools reached out to me and wanted to know if I wanted to review their tools for them, and I said sure. So they sent me, go ahead and open it up. They sent me their razor blades for utility knives, X-Acto knives, and they also sent me their 1/4 die grinder for air, N.R.T, or however you say it. So we'll open it up. Right there, you can use code N.R.T. Off-Road Performance to save yourself 5% at their website. So it feels very nice. I've had some air die grinders that feel they're like cheaply made, but this one actually feels really nice for how cheap it is. So there's that, and of course, I mean, X-Acto blades. That's really just, I mean, they're X-Acto blades. There's not much to show you. I have a bunch of Milwaukee fastbacks right here. Milwaukee fastbacks. They take a utility blade, just like that. Go ahead and see how good it cuts. Cuts really good. Fits in there very nice. So I got a bunch of Milwaukee knives. I had Milwaukee blades, and Milwaukee does have these, but it's weird how they have it. But I like how it pulls one blade out, you pull it out, then you shut it like that. So that's very nice. And I'm gonna mount it like something right there. But yeah, so I'll probably be using this to finish up some work on a piece of metal. I'll go get it. I'm making a new cross member for my go-kart, and I had to burr all this out, and I had my Milwaukee cordless die grinder, but the dang bearing seized up in it. So I'm going to use this air one until Milwaukee sends me that part, and get that all fixed up and get it ready to go so I can put it back on the go-kart and get that cross member done. So huge shout out to BERKLING Tools. Look forward to our partnership and collaboration with them, and that is N.R.T. Off-Road Performance, to save yourself 5% at their website, or it might work on other platforms like Amazon and eBay. I don't know. Have to ask them. But anyway, next video, I'll probably be testing this out on that cross member with the burr bit on it and see how much it gets the job done. So catch you guys on the next one.